The government continues to ask public sector workers for understanding ahead of the wage negotiations, which are expected to resume next week. Finance Minister Audley Shaw made the appeal even as the IMF raised concern on Friday about the slow pace of the wage talks. The event was the official opening of the interim extension of the Accident and Emergency Department at the Percy Junior Hospital in Manchester. It's where Finance Minister Audley Shaw came face to face with some of the nurses who've been clamoring for more pay, like teachers and the police. The Nurses Association of Jamaica rejected government's 6% wage offer, but the Finance Minister is appealing for understanding, arguing that civil servants are already taking home more money with the increase in the income tax threshold to $1.5 million.
While some of the nurses and so on, the increases that you've seen on a monthly basis is a relatively modest increase, nonetheless, it is an increase. And had we not increased that threshold, you would not have been able to get that increase in terms of your monthly take-home pay. But having said that, we have a long way to go, but we can get there. If we are consistent, if we continue to put forward prudent policies, we are not wasteful in our expenditure, we are disciplined and continue to bring the debt down, then each year that we bring the debt down, we can pay our workers a better pay.
But he says there's a long-term plan.
In all of these negotiations, we have to be mindful of your welfare and the concerns that you have. And one of the things I've already signaled to the Prime Minister, some years ago while I was Minister, we had a reclassification of the teachers. And a similar reclassification has not yet been done for the medical field, neither for the police. So on my radar is a reclassification program for both the health sector as well as the security sector.
Meanwhile, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has again raised concern about the slow pace of public sector wage talks. An IMF team, which ended a 4-day visit to Jamaica on Friday, issued a statement warning that delayed public sector wage negotiations pose significant budgetary risks.